handy piece of coat hanger. So I'm prepping the instrument now. Ouchie, ouch, ouch, ouch. The plug on the blue wire's got a sharp edge to it. Man, jam that through the rubber. Okay. So, sharp pointy through the rubber. Until we won't poke it through something else here. Now, according to what they say, the rubber should not be terribly difficult to poke through. And if it is, you're going the wrong way. When I get through the rubber, it's going to be, the tough part's going to be getting, there we go. Okay, it's through. Let's see if I can find the other end of it. I'll try and shoot this up there. Can you see up there? So now what I have to do is pull all this cable through. I really don't want to. Okay, so this comes up. Probably should be underneath that. All right, now clockwise. Locate the factory ground stud just forward and below the fuse panel. Just forward and below the fuse panel. I think it's this one down here. Me thinkest. Brown wire. Alright. So, that's looking like 13 millimeters to me, that ground wire socket. Yep. Ratchet. So now we're down there. See the light brown wire? That's the ground. Going to the engine right there. I'm going to disconnect that one. I don't know if I can get you down there to watch it or not. Right there. Yeah, okay. Almost see it. Oh, tight. Ah. Boom, cap nut. Don't lose the cap nut. Deer flies are coming in now. Must be dinner time. So that's going to go over that. All right, all done. Cap not in place. Brown wire is grounded.
All right, so now to the point of putting the battery tray back in. Not doing it too well one-handed, obviously. Deer flies coming in for some dinner.
So I zip tied the breaker. The breaker? It's not a breaker. There's the fuse over here, zip tied to the power cables, and this is the relay, zip tied to the side of the fuse box. I guess I can put the fuse box cover back on. I hope the zip ties aren't in the way. Yeah, that goes. Okay, so to get the fuse box cover off, you have to slide that whole side panel down, and I'll do the same on the other side too. Unlock and slide it up to be locked. Boom, locked. Okay. So I'm going to take a break now. Come back to it tomorrow, I guess, to do the final steps, which I believe is just getting the switch. Alright, well, it's the next day. I'm now ready to do the interior electricals. If I can find the screwdriver I just picked up and brought in here. I need to remove the light switch, and there's a little teeny tiny tab on the back side of the switch. And I think that's it right there. Come on. Did I get it? Come on. I think it does come off. Of course, now I'm going to dump everything out, probably. Yeah. It looks like it snaps in. There we go. Boom. Okay. Hey. Why do they say leave the... Need to put this wire into the correct spot. In the plug. And I'm just looking... Okay, that'll be good. I think I can put this back. Snap. Come on, snap. There's a 10, this is a 10 wire connector. And on the back there's numbers. The blue wire is going to go into position number 5. So I need to find the numbers on this, and then I need a magnifying glass, I think. Wow. There's a... So, next to the black wire is number 5, right here. So in order to get this to slide in, I need to put a pick into here and pop that out right there. Come on. Right like that. Whoa. I was afraid that was going to be rougher. Okay. Now slide the blue wire. You want the flat side towards the center of the plug, and hopefully it fits. And it's supposed to snap into this. It's supposed to click. Yeah? I'm listening. I'm not hearing. Well, it didn't click, but it's not. It also says pull it gently and it won't come out. And it doesn't. So, to lock it into position, push that back. Maybe. It's not into position. Yeah. There we go. Okay. That's clicked into position, snapped into position, etc. If you're using the ECS tuning instructions, I'm now going to jump on, because they talk about putting a yellow wire in to do the rear fog lights, and I'm not doing that. So I'm jumping on from page 30 of their instructions to page 35, which is where I install my new switch. Chinese made. Connect the new headlight switch and make sure all excess wire is pulled through and located in the footwell down below here. Okay. So, make sure I have this the right way. Yeah. Okay, go in there. Looks good. And then time to put the switch away. Push the new headlight switch in. Now, I'm not sure which way is up and which way is down. Okay, I guess the 0 should be about there. Snap. Alright. It now says you're all set, but obviously, yeah, step 21 of the wiring connections inside the car says nothing about doing anything with that showing. Blue cable up and back of that fuse panel. If I can get a zip tie, I'll do a zip tie with that.